Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use touchpad gestures on your Ray-Ban META Wayfarer. So, to use these gestures, all you have to do is wear them, but I'm not gonna wear them since I really need to show you how it works. As you guys can see, here we have the left and here we have the right side. Now, we wanna look for the side with the button, which is the right side, and of course, we have the button right here. So you may notice that they're not connected because I am not wearing them, so any single input that I'll try and do will sadly not work properly, and that's why we want to make sure that we just follow the steps from this video. So close to this Ray-Ban sign, we got the Bluetooth, and sorry, not Bluetooth, but we got the touchpad, and here we have the touchpad. We can easily use it. It's probably not here. I just always swipe it all the way, and if you tap, you can pause something, you can end the call, and you can also resume the video, for an example. Next, you can double tap, so you can skip something. You can triple tap and you can go back to something if you skipped it by an accident. So if you double tap, you can triple tap to go back. And of course, we have swipe forward and swipe back. This is very important because if you swipe up, you turn your volume up, and if you swipe down, you turn your volume down. Here we also have this button, which is not exactly a gesture, but I still want to talk about it. This is very important. If you press it once, then you see this little light. Let me quickly do that again. Here we have a light. Now this took a picture. If we press and hold it, then we will see that it is recording a video. Here we even have it as proof. The light is shining, and we can stop it by just pressing. And that's basically how the glasses work. So it's really easy. It's really simple, and as you guys can see, I'm swiping right now left, right, forward, backward, and it is changing my volume. So that's exactly how it works, and that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.